Hi, my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Dates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to show about AWS, Azure, GCP, Cloud, DevOps, fresher job openings. If you're a fresher having zeros of experience or you don't have any previous experience in the IT industry, not a problem. You can easily apply to the job openings which I'm going to show you now. And moreover, you may be from the any branches like you may be civil, mechanical, chemical, you may be from the any branches, okay, and you may be from the any degree, guys. You may be from BE, BCom, MCom. You may be from the BTech, MTech, BCA, MCA. Any degrees, not a problem. You can apply. And moreover, if you are having a career gaps like 2 years of a career gaps, 3 years, 5 years, please learn the skills. Okay, what are the in the job requirement? What are the skills they have mentioned? Learn the skills and you can apply. Moreover, you may be from the any different domains of IT. You may be from the Java, you may be from the testing, or you may be from the databases background. Not a problem. If you want to switch your career into this cloud or into the DevOps domain or into the SRF domain, you can easily apply to the job openings which I'm showing today. Okay. So one more interesting and exciting thing is today the job openings, the company which I'm going to show you, the single company is hiring for the 20 fresher job openings. Okay, that company is hiring mainly for 20 fresher job openings and that too mainly for the AWS, Azure, GCP freshers. I'm telling you. So requesting everyone, please watch this video completely till the end to know the more details about the company and the vacancy. Okay. So if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and watch this video completely till the end. Now let's directly get into the first job opening. Here, as you know, I have already opened the LinkedIn. Okay, as you can see, I have already opened my LinkedIn. Here in the LinkedIn, there is one person called Panduranga Swami Viligitti. Okay, his name is Panduranga Swami. So he is mainly hiring for the position of AWS training engineer. As you can see here, he is from the Advent Global Solutions. Okay, he's from a consulting firm. Okay, he is mainly hiring for the candidates who are very good at AWS. Okay, if you are trained AWS engineer or if you're a cloud fresher, okay, you don't have any prior working experience. Okay, and if you are ready to switch your career into the AWS cloud, here is a golden opportunity for you guys. I'm telling you, here is a golden opportunity for you. Here they have mentioned the skill set. You should be knowing the core AWS services. Okay, it may be like EC2, S3, EBS, EKS. You should be knowing all this. Okay, networking and security. So you should know about networking as well as security. Databases you should know. These all are for just basics, guys. There is nothing know that you should have worked on projects or that you should know about the high-end skills or there is nothing like that. If you just know about basics of this, that is fine. Okay, and they have mentioned for the storage, application development, management tools, DevOps. Okay, so if you are good at these tools, okay, if you're having these skills, you can easily apply to the position AWS training engineer. Look at this is a complete job opening. As you can see, this is not an internship opportunity. I'm telling you, the location is Anantapura. It comes in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so you need to send your resume to shwetaji@adventglobal.com. This is their email ID. So he has mentioned one of our recruiting person email ID. So you need to send your resume to this email ID. Okay. So if you don't find, or you can just visit to this company portal and you can also apply. So this was the first job opening for the fresher guys. Okay. The next one is from the company called Spectra Systems. This company is mainly hiring 20 fresher job openings, guys. I'm telling you, this company is having 20 fresher job openings. If you please watch this video, you're going to get an idea. Okay, here as you can see, Spectra Systems LLC. This is mainly for the look at the students and the recent graduates. Okay, and I'm telling you, this is a complete internship job opportunity. Freshers, please mainly focus on internship first. Then you try to get the job. You will be having more job opportunities. Okay, so that is the thing. Here, the company mainly hiring for the position is cloud engineer trainee, and they have mentioned you should be knowing at least AWS, or if you know GCP, that's fine. And the location is Bengaluru. Okay, they have posted this job opportunity on the 28th of February 2024. So just 4 days ago, they have updated this job opportunity. So please, I'm requesting everyone to please apply. And look at this number of positions. This company is mainly hiring for 10 positions, guys. I'm telling you, 10 positions. So freshers, this is a golden opportunity for you. I'm requesting everyone, please don't leave this opportunity. Okay, this will play a very crucial This will play a very crucial role in your career growth. And look at this. Work experiences, fresher. Work timings is rotational shift. Here you will be having a rotational shift. You may be having morning, evening, night shift. Not a problem. You should be ready to work it. Okay. As I already told you, the location is Bengaluru. Here they have mentioned about the job description, roles and responsibility. I'm not going to read it. I will be directly reading the skills. Okay, requirement section. We'll directly get here. Bachelor degree in computer science, information technology related degree or field. Okay, so here you should be having degree. It may be in the computer science, it may be in the IT, it may be in any degree. But if you're having at least degree in hand, you are ready to apply for this job. Basic understanding of cloud computing service concepts. So you should be knowing what is cloud computing concepts. You should be have learned at least these skills. Familiarity with either AWS or a GCP. So you should be good at least AWS or a GCP. Strong analytical and problem solving skills. Excellent communication and teamwork abilities. See, these are just the soft skills, so you don't need to mention. So, but briefly mention one or two projects, okay, in your resume before applying, and try to mention at least 10 services, 10 AWS services. You may be having basics knowledge, not a problem. You need to apply. Here, stipend also, month of internship, first month of internship, you are not going to get any single rupees. And the third and second and third month of internship are going to get at least 10,000 per month, purely subject to your performance and contribution. So here, second and third month you are going to get at least 10,000. That's mainly based on your performance. Okay, fourth month full-time offer or a termination of internship. Here, once after completing the internship, you are going to get at least a job, or others you will be terminated. See, this everything is depend on your performance. If you are going to work very hard, if you are contributing very well to the company, then they are going to give you a full-time job opportunity. I'm telling you, they are going to provide you a full-time job opportunity. If you are not working as expected, then you will be, as usual, you will be terminated. So this is the one of the best job opportunities. As you can see, there are 10 job openings. Okay, so telling everyone to please apply. Look at this. Just go to this I'm interested position and click on this. You are going to apply for this job opening also. Sorry, internship. Now the next third job opportunity comes from the same company, Spectra System LLC. Okay, this position is cloud engineer trainee. Here, this is mainly for the Azure guys. Okay, if you're Azure fresher, you can apply to this. And look at this. The job location is also same, Bengaluru. They have posted this job opportunity on the 28th of February 2024. Okay, so here it's mainly for the freshers. Look at this. The number of position is also for the 10th. So many people tell that AWS fresher, DevOps fresher, Azure fresher, GCP freshers don't have the job openings. Who says that? Just bring them to my channel. Okay, just tell them to subscribe my channel and let them watch my videos. Okay, I'm going to bring all the fresher job openings for you guys. Okay, so I just need your support. So please support me by subscribing my channel. And here, this company is mainly hiring for the 10 Azure fresher job openings. And look at this, the work timings is rotational shift. City is Bengaluru. Okay, so we'll directly get into the requirement section. Bachelor degree in computer science, information technology or related field. So you should be having at least degree. It may be in the computer science, IT. It may be in any degrees, not a problem. You should have at least degree. Basic understanding of cloud computing concepts. You should be knowing the cloud computing concepts. And the next is, here you should be very good or very familiar with the Microsoft Azure services. You should be good. You should have at least intermediate level of knowledge on the AWS Azure services. Okay, sorry, not AWS, it's Azure completely. Strong analytical and problem solving skills. So you should be good at solving the problems, and you should be good at excellent communication. So these are the things they have mentioned. Stipend is same for this also position. So first month you will be not having any internship, not any stipend. And the next second and third month you are going to get around 10,000 per month based on your performance. And the fourth month, so for this internship will be for mainly for 3 months. So based on the 3 months performance, they are going to give either a full-time job opportunity or you are going to get terminated later. Only these two things are going to happen. So everything completely depends on you. If you are going to work hard, you are going to get a AWS fresher or Azure fresher job. If you are not going to work hard in the internship, you are not going to get a job. So it's up to you. So this is the third job opportunity for you. Now the fourth one. Okay, before moving to the fourth one, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe guys. Okay, and this is my Instagram handle. If you want all the job opening links which I'm showing you can just send an invitation to this Vishwa Karkala Instagram handle. Okay, I will be accepting all your Instagram handle acceptation. Okay, and you can directly message me while sending the invitation. I'm going to send you all the links completely free without taking a single rupee from you. I'm telling you, you just need to mention me like this: AWS and DevOps fresher role. If you're looking for AWS and DevOps fresher role, just mention me like this. Okay, if you're looking for Azure or a GCP, you can mention here. It may be any roles. Okay, so I will be sending you all the links like this. As you can see here, I have sent my links, right? So I'll be sending you all the links completely free. So this is also one of the important thing which I wanted to say you. Now the fourth one is from the company Internship. Okay, this Internship is one of the famous Indian company where it mainly primarily focuses focus for the students to hire for the internships. Okay, so this company they have posted a internship opportunity. Look at this, cloud computing intern. Okay, so the company which they are hiring is the overseas consultant. This company is mainly hiring for the position of cloud computing intern, and this is moreover a part-time job opportunity. Okay, and this is a not job opportunity. Sorry, this is the internship opportunity for you. Look at this, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Bengaluru hybrid. Okay, so here this company, the the overseas consultant company is mainly hiring for the cloud computing intern. Okay, and this job located is, see, they have various branches across the India, so they have mentioned the multiple job locations. Okay, you may be from the Chennai, you may be from the Pune, Mumbai, Bengaluru, or you may be from any part of India, guys. You may be from Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, anywhere, Bengaluru, you can apply. So just look at your nearest job locations and try to apply for this internship opportunity. Here the internship is immediate. Here they clearly mentioned the start date is immediately and the duration is 2 months. This internship is going to happen. Okay, the stipend is 5 to 7,000 per month, and the last date of apply is 15th March of 2024. Still you have 11 days of time, so please apply before that. As you can see, this internship they have posted just before 3 days, and already 225 applications have already shared the resume. So be fast to share your resume. And here, if you look up about the internship and the job, everything, collaborate with team. So this, yeah, see here will be collaborating and designing, developing with the other clients. Okay, note, please apply only if you're a final or last year students. This is completely for the 2024 batch students, I'm telling you. Okay, if you are from 2023 or 24, you can apply. Skills they have required is AWS. Okay, if you are good at AWS, or if you're good at Google Cloud or Azure or a Python, you can apply. So skills there is, maybe if you are good at least one, there is no need of every clouds. If you are good at least at one cloud, you can apply. Moreover, earn certifications in these skills. You will be earning certifications after the completion of the internship. Okay. So here they have mentioned about the start date. The internship or the job operation is going to start between 1st of March 2024 and the 5th of April. Okay. So in this period only the internship is going to start, and it's mainly for the 2 months. Okay. You should have relevant skills. That is AWS or Azure or a GCP. It's your choice. And if you know the basics of Python, that is good. And once after completing the internship, you're going to get certifications, and you're going to get the letter of recommendations, and you'll be having flexible work hours, informal dress, 5 days a week, and free and snacks and beverages. So here you'll be getting free snacks and beverages. The number of openings is 3. Here, look at this. The number of openings is 3. So just go to this apply section and apply to this internship opportunity. Okay. So then the last one. Okay. Here the last one comes from LinkedIn only. In LinkedIn, there is one person, okay, Shiv Kumar. As you can see here, Shiv Kumar, he is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. Okay, so if you're a fresher having 6 months, 3 months internship experience, okay, if you have done some internship experience, or if you don't have any experience, also not a problem, but you should have at least done some projects. That is very important. So he is mainly hiring for his company. His company name is Solvative. Okay, so he is mainly hiring for his company. And look at this, he has mentioned 1 years of experience. Moreover, this is a remote job opportunity. You don't need to go to office and work. This is completely remote opportunity. You can just sit in your home. You can work aramsely. Okay, so here you need to send your resume to this WhatsApp number. Otherwise, you can just mail your resume to this careers@solvative.com. So these are the 5 job openings which I wanted to show you for today's, guys. Okay, if you are looking for any other job opportunities in any other, it may be in the cybersecurity, Java, it may be in any domains, not a problem. You can mention me in the comment section. Okay, I'll be happy to bring all the job opportunities for you. So these are the things. Have a good day. All the best. Bye.